Hello, students. Welcome again to our online classes from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So, my dear students, this is your subject teacher of maths, and today I'm here with a notebook assignment from your textbook. So, my dear students, in our earlier video, we had discussed about chapter number 1, numbers up to 20. The topics covered in this chapter are numbers up to 10, 0, making 10, building numbers, and numbers on an abacus. So my dear students, in this video I'm going to tell you how to write the worksheet or assignment of this chapter in your notebook. So, without wasting your time, keep your books, notebooks, and pencil along with you while attending your online classes. So, first of all, students, look here. You have to open your notebook, then you have to mention date, then chapter 1 and the name of the chapter, numbers up to 20. Then you have to also mention revision because this is revision classes. So students, here the topic we are going to discuss is building numbers. So you have to mention the topic building numbers. Then you have to draw a picture like this. So in first, here we are going to discuss about the number more than 10. So first of all, you have to draw a picture of grapes or bunch of grapes having 10 grapes. Then you have to draw one more grapes and you have to write like this. So students, I already explained you, when we add one more grapes to a bunch of 10 grapes, we get number 11. And to write 11, we write 1 or we put 1 in the tens place and 1 in the ones place. Then we get the number 11. Number name for 11 is ELEVEN, 11. So similarly, in next you have to again draw a bunch of grapes with 10 grapes. Then you have to draw 2 more grapes to get the number 12. So for 12 or to write 12, we put 1 in the tens place and 2 in the ones place. Then we get the number 12. Number name of 12, TWEL, 12. So similarly, you have to write all this in your notebook like 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Here 19 and 20. So students, to make 19, first of all you have to make a bunch of grapes with 10 grapes. Then you have to draw 9 more grapes to get the number 19. To write 19, we put 9 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place. So number name for 19 is NINETEEN, 19. Now in next, to write 20, first of all you have to draw 10 grapes in one bunch, or you have to draw a bunch of 10 grapes. Then you have to draw one more bunch of 10 grapes. So when we add both, we get the number 20. 10 plus 20 is equal to 20. And to write number 20, we put 2 in the tens place and 0 in the ones place. Number for 20, TWENT by 20. So this was the building numbers. So you have to do this in your notebook. Now let's move on to our next topic, that is numbers on an abacus. This topic is given at page number 11 in your textbook. So students, first of all, you know what is an abacus and what does the abacus show. So students, the abacus are used to count numbers. So here we are going to know how to read on an abacus. So first of all, you have to mention topic, number on an abacus. Then you have to draw this abacus. So students, in abacus there are two spikes, like here these two rods are the spike, and this is a bead. Look here in green and blue color. So students, in abacus there is a 10 spike and 1 spike. So let's read the number that this abacus show. So in tens place there is 1 bead, so there is 110, and in ones place there is 1 so it means the number that this abacus show is 11. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So similarly in next, look here, in tens spike you can see here there is 110, it means 10, and in ones place there are 5 beads, it means 5 ones. So when we add 10 with 5 we get number 15. So this abacus show the number 15. Okay, now let's come to the next one. This is exercise in your book. Write the number shown in each abacus. So students, you have to draw this in your notebook like this. So in first, look here, at ones place there is 1 bead, so it means 110, and in ones place there are 3 beads, it means 3 ones. So students, 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. So you have to write 3 at ones place and 1 at tens place to get the number 13. So this abacus show the number 13. Now in next, at ones place there is 1 bead, it means 110. So here you have to write 1 at tens place, and then in next ones place there are 6 beads, it means 6 ones. So students, 110 and 6 1, it means 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. So this abacus show the number 16. Now in third, at ones place there are two beats. It means there are two ones. There are two ones. And at ones place there is nothing. Nothing means 0. So there is 0 ones. So 210 plus 0 is equal to 20. So here this abacus show the number 20. Now in next, in first spike or 10 spike there is one bead, it means 110, and at ones place there are 3 beads, it means 3 ones. So 10 plus 13 is 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. So this number this abacus show the number 13. So you have to write 3 at ones place and 1 at ones place. So this was the assignment that you have to complete in your notebook, and do practice this in your PC copy also. I hope you understood the concept of building numbers and abacus by the help of this video. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Thank you students. Bye and take care.